Hi friends, Esther here. I hope you guys are doing good. Well, today I have a very special Sumi Naga recipe. That is, I'll be cooking pork with Akhuni and Taro that we locally call it as kachu.
Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon to get notification on our new videos.
Ingredients that I'll be using. So I have some fresh pork, kachu, and dry red chili. This chili and kachu I got it from a friend all the way from Imla village under Nabada district. And this is Akhuni. And yeah, for those who don't know what is Akhuni, this is fermented soybean. And yeah, we have a video on how to make this fermented soybean, so you can just check our channel video list. And here I have salt to taste, 2 tomatoes, and lastly garlic and ginger. And you know what, today I'm going to cook this in our traditional Naga cooking pot. You can have a look. It is black in color, but even if you touch it, your hands won't get dirty. First of all, I'll be boiling the 3 ingredients, that is Akhuni, red chili, and the tomatoes. So here, let's put this Akhuni. I'm not using the whole Akhuni because if I use more, it will become bitter. Next is the red chilies. And the red chilies, I'm going to remove the seed because it is not good for acidity. If you want, you can plant this seeds because I often throw this in the flower pot and it grows so well. I'm done with the chili, so next is the tomatoes. Roughly chop it. Add some salt to taste. And finally, water. So first of all, we'll be cooking this for some time and I'll show you the next step. So now let's put it in the case and let it boil. Yeah, like this, and cover it with the lid. While we cook the 3 ingredients, let's chop the pork. This size will be okay to go. So these are the pieces that I'll be cooking. Well, if you're wondering why I cut the meat this big, is because Sumis prefer to eat this way. They don't like small pieces. So let's try Sumi style. Now let's chop the taro. Here again, I'm cutting it in a Sumi style, big size. Next, let's get ready with the ginger and the garlic. So let's pound it. finally the sorry, the ginger. It's about 15 minutes now. Let's have a look here. Wow. You know, once this cooking pot it gets heated, it gets cooked very fast. Now I'm going to pound the tomatoes and the red chilies so that the gravy becomes a little thicker, and also it will make some color. So before I pound this red chilies, I'll add the meat and the taro. Believe me, it's going to be very tasty. Now let's pound this. Here it is. I have roughly pounded this chili and the tomato, so let's add it here. And you know one thing, if you cook in this traditional cooking clay pot, it tastes much better than the other cooking pot that we use. Now let's cover it with the lid and let it cook for some time again. It's about 30 to 35 minutes now, so let's have a look. Wow, the smell of Akhuni is too good. The quality of the Akhuni itself is good, so that is the reason. Let me taste it if I have to add anything or not. Perfect, everything is okay. Now I'll be cooking this again for some time. I think I need to pour some more water so that it gets cooked really well. So let's add some water, and yeah, let's let it cook for another 20 minutes more and it will be done. So now let's cover it with the lid and let it cook again. It's about 30 minutes now, so let's have a look. Oh my god, it's almost done. Wow. Look at this. I can't wait to eat. Now let's add the garlic and the ginger. Here it goes. Let me taste it again. So good. You see the meat? So we are done. Let's turn off the flame. I have turned off the flame, but it's still cooking. Imagine how heated this cooking pot is. My god, it's still cooking. Anyways, this is the Sumi Naga recipe that we cooked today. Finally done with our very special Sumi Naga recipe. So here it is, you can have a look. I'm going to tell you one secret, that is, whenever you visit a Sumi friend, always go empty stomach, because you know the Sumis are so loving, generous, and always sharing. They will never let you go empty stomach. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be coming up with more interesting videos, so keep watching. Bye.